Hi everyone, welcome to Reflections IAS Academy. You all know that we have a facility in Himayatnagar for the last 2 years. Right now, we have started another facility at Ashoknagar Crossroads. And on the eve of inauguration, we are offering 10 days free CSAT program for those students who would like to take pre-examination scheduled to be on 16th of this year. So, as it is a 10 days free workshop on CSAT, herein you find many crucial topics like number system, permutations and combinations, syllogism, data sufficiency, and certain classes on logical reasoning, and important classes on basic arithmetic. And then finally you will have certain tips related to comprehension. And I request each and every one of the serious aspirants to make use of this to the best of your ability. And thank you very much. Share this message with your friends as well. So that will definitely benefit you. You will definitely going to benefit with this program. Please share and attend this program. Thank you so much.